Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get paid to watch videos in 2019 and beyond, and also I'm going to be sharing with you 4 websites that pay you via PayPal to do exactly that. So definitely stick with me to the rest of this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and also tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to jump right into today's content. So the first website that we're going to be talking about today is called mypoints.com. Okay, so they're going to pay you to literally watch videos, and let me show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see, earn points when you watch video playlists on your favorite topics. So here we go. So they're showing you you're going to earn 6 points in this particular example right here. You're going to earn 6 points when you spend an hour of your time to watch 30 videos. Okay, so what I want you to understand about, getting paid to watch videos, it is going to require, quite a bit of your time to make this stuff happen. So if you're someone who has just all the time in the day, right, and you want to go ahead and leverage this to accumulate points so you can then turn those points into free gift cards or actually turn it into real money by transferring it to your PayPal account, then this is definitely going to be something for you. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't have that much time, I want to go ahead and set the expectation. This is not going to be something that's just going to, you're just going to earn you're just going to be having a ton of gift cards if you're not somebody who has a lot of time, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and give you a few more examples. All right, so in this case, you're going to spend less of your time and you're going to earn 6 points, right? So me, if I was doing this, I would definitely go here and I would try to go the short route and see what I can get. But I'm sure not all of them are 6 points. So you definitely want to just kind of look around, and you are going to have to spend your time, all right? All right, so that was my points. Now we're going to talk about the next website, which is called u-cubes.com. Okay, this is pretty much the same kind of concept, but as you can see here, they have over 286,000 members, and they've been pretty much doing this since 2007. So it's been quite a amount of time that's been passed since they've been doing this type of stuff. All right, so here we go. Earn cash online. So you can view websites, complete surveys, watch videos, and as you can see, 20,000 payments have been sent from this website to any one of those 286,000 members. All right, and then also another added thing that they allow you to do is to advertise your business. So as you can see, promote your site. Now, it's an easy sign up process. All you're going to do is hit the sign up now button here. Once you do that, it's going to take you over to here. And all you're going to do is fill out the admin information here, and boom, you're going to have your account set up. Now, let me go back to that page and kind of walk you through the rest of everything else. All right, so as you can see, once again, they're going to pay you via PayPal. Okay, that's why you're here. I know most people are going to want the actual money. They're not that interested in the gift cards. All right, so let's continue to go down. And remember what I was talking about with the advertising. So you can advertise your business, and it's basically going to be like these. These are called like native ads. So if you want to advertise here, you can definitely do that. And as you can see, they have over 286,000 members. Out of 286,000 people, someone may see your ad and want to click through. So that's going to also allow you to earn. All right. So there's also a video on this page. So you can actually just watch this video. It's going to give you even more information about this particular website, so you have a better understanding and you know the expectations. All right, so also they give you the sign up now button again. So maybe you missed it up here. They want to go ahead and get you going down here as well. All right, so let me kind of go over the different ways that you can earn. So you can earn by referring, okay? They're going to pay you up to 15% commission from your referrals and also your referrals, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Also, you can view ads, so you can get paid to look at other people's ads. That's another way to earn. Also, paid surveys. Okay, so once you complete these online surveys, they're going to pay you in real cash. All right, also promoting your business. I kind of just talked about that and they're kind of reiterating it. So you can see promote your business to over 286,000 members, and they have delivered over 75 million ad views to this date. Okay, so those are the different ways that you can actually earn when it comes to YouTubes, and they pay you out via PayPal. All right, so let's go over to the next website, which is called earnhoney.com. So this is another way that you can earn by literally watching videos. So as you can see, here's a video here. Now all I'm going to do to get over there is I'm going to click watch and earn. All right, so give it a few minutes to populate. All right, so this particular website, Earn Honey, they're going to pay you out in a particular digital currency. Then once they pay you out in that, you're going to have the ability to exchange for a gift card. Just like the other ones, you're going to be able to exchange for a gift card. And also you can pay, you're going to be able to exchange into real money, which is going to be via PayPal. Okay, so same kind of concept as the others. They're going to show you, okay, so this is going to earn you 0.04 opt-in, right? And as you can see, so far, most of them are going to earn you 0.04 opt-in. So what I would do is I would click on this just to see, you know, the others, just to see if it actually goes up or does it go down, right? Those things are important. And another thing, I want to reiterate this is going to require your time. It really is. So the times like when you're bored and you don't really have much to do, you could be using that time, right? Because some people that are watching this, 9 times out of 10, you're probably working a job, right? And you don't have as much time. Maybe you have a family. So any time that you have that you're bored or you're not doing anything, you can definitely leverage these sites to actually accumulate points and then exchange for free gift cards or actual PayPal, like real money. Okay. All right, so the last one is Success Bucks. They've been doing this since 2012 and they've been paying out since that particular time. All right, so all you're going to do to get signed up is you're going to put your email here and you're going to hit create free account. You also have the ability to log in via Facebook. So you don't have to put your email here if you don't really want to. All right, so I want to kind of go over how to get set up, how does the sign up process work. So first thing is you're going to register an account for free, as I just showed you here. Then you're going to have the ability to watch advertisements and make money, perform tasks and make money, and then also make money by completing different surveys. Then once you accumulate the points, then you're going to withdraw your earned money. So as you can see, USD cash earned by members up to $25,000 has been paid out, and they have over 211,000 registered members. So it's a ton of people that are already watching advertisements, performing tasks, and completing surveys, and they're paying them via PayPal or free gift cards. All right, so that's how that goes. Now let's go ahead and go to the limitless earnings, the different ways that you can earn. All right, so first off, you can view ads, fill surveys, participate in contests, redeem offers, listen to music and earn, refer people, right? I think it's about 10% or so, right? And then do different tasks. So you have multiple different ways that you can earn with this. So definitely take advantage when you're just bored or you don't have any time. Like guys, yes, I do affiliate marketing, but what I do, like if I'm bored and I'm not doing anything, I always take advantage of these sites, right? And different apps on my phone so that I can continue to earn money. All right, so definitely take advantage of these 4 websites and let me know in the comments, like, are you going to take advantage of these to see if these are actually going to be beneficial to you? Then just let me know down below. All right, now if you got value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Make sure you do it. Also, tick that bell icon. And also, if you want to learn exactly what I'm using right now to earn consistent income on the internet, go ahead and click the first link in the description. That's going to take you over to the website and you can check out and get more information about what it is that I do. All right, now my phone number is down below. My Facebook is down below. So if you're really willing to get started, go ahead and contact me and let's get this thing rocking and rolling. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.